Hello everyone, welcome to Cellopedia, this is Maxim. Today we will work on very special exercise. It's number 211 from Dotzauer-Klingenberg Cello method. If you are confident playing in the first 6 positions, that will serve you as the best warm-up exercise. Actually, why to wait? You might just explore all of those positions. And this, maybe in a slower tempo, will serve you as a perfect material to work with and feel that you're warmed up and confident. First, I will play it for you in the fast tempo, quarter note 144, and then we will work on this exercise in a slower tempo, and also we'll try different bowings, and that will be quite exciting way to master this exercise and work on various coordination issues between left and right hands. Stay with me. I hope we will learn something new today. Do you think that it will be impossible for you to play that fast? Actually, I think you will have very good chance to play it very fast and precise. The secret is to be patient and consistent with your practicing. And I will show you one of the ways how to practice. We will go over this exercise few more times, and every time we will be playing in a slower tempo, quarter note 72, 2 times slower than the tempo I showed you at the beginning, and we will use 3 notes per bow, and then all options you can see at the bottom of this page. When you play in a slower tempo, make sure that your left hand is very active. You might even hear some sound from the left hand. And I believe that this kind of sound is acceptable. That will show that your fingers are active and fast. Of course, if you feel any kind of pain in your fingers, then you might want to do it a bit lighter. You don't want to make any damage to your muscles. However, using left hand requires a lot of energy. The key is not to keep fingers pressed for the long time, but do it with a quick surgical precision. Tempo quarter note 72, 3 notes per bow. Okay, now let's play it in the same tempo, one note per bow. When you play it this way, you will learn how to coordinate movements of the left hand with each bow change in the right hand. And this kind of skill is extremely important. Never mind that when you play it legato, you don't actually need to do that. Being able to control the speed of your fingers in such a precise way to play it one note per bow will allow you to play all legato passages with more and more clarity. How did you like playing like this? It's very hard. And actually, you can keep playing one note per bow and gradually bring tempo up. Or start with much slower tempo, just to have a chance to pay attention to this coordination between your left and right hands. The next exercise is one note down and two notes up. Here you will need to move the bow much faster when you play first note down bow to make sure that you have enough bow for the following two notes. Now you are ready to try the opposite bowings. Two notes slurred down bow and one note up. This is quite rare bowings, but it's worth trying it just to make a challenge to yourself. And after you overcome it, it will be much easier to play it with more common bowings, like several notes legato or one note per bow. And finally, the last way to try this exercise. This bowing is very tricky, but I find it the most interesting. One note down, three notes up, and then two separate notes. Try it in a very slow tempo, then bring it to the faster tempo, and I'm sure you will be very happy with what you can achieve playing like this. I'm sure that not every cello student will have patience to go through those exercises. And you are still here. That means you are doing it right. Going through one exercise after another will help you to develop not only dexterity of your fingers, fine control over the finger position and timing, but also that will allow you to learn different patterns and ultimately learn how those right hand patterns will coordinate with the left hand. And when you spend time practicing, it will be easier and easier for you to play. And you will bring all those skills you learned working on this exercise to the future. That will allow you to play every interesting piece with a higher skill and satisfaction. Keep playing cello. See you soon.